Waking up early, sun shining bright. Dad's in the kitchen, pancakes in sight. He flips them high, we laugh and cheer. Our little team, all love, no fear. Me, my dad, and sis, oh yeah. A family full of happiness. We dance, we play, we sing all day. Love is here to stay. Backpacks ready, off to school. Dad says be kind and follow the rules. He gives us hugs, says go do your best. We know we're loved, yeah, we're so blessed.
I can't say both my girls love me, but if it's one person that's always happy to see us, it's Niyah. Not Niyah. As a girl dad, that's a great feeling. I mean, just to see them be excited to see you, it does something for me. Oh, man. Okay, let's shake back.
Me and my sister have gymnastics today. Yay!
So today, they're going back to gymnastics. Yahni's been asking me for a few months now, Daddy, can I go back to gymnastics? And I'm like, okay, you can go back if you want to take your sister. You can go back, but your sister's going to go with you. She was like, yay! She was excited. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens. Yahni and Niyah. How you doing? Yeah. What's up? Look up, yeah. I don't know about you, but it's something about being in a public place with an impatient baby. You see how you acting? She want to get out. You ready? Put your name tag back there. Put your name tag back there. Yeah. What's up? You want to know the truth? I got busted. She saw me drinking her drink while she was trying to do gymnastics. And she came and took it.
Niyah, look down. Open and open.
Niyah said I need to learn. All right, friends, can you tell me what picture this is? What shape is this? Grab another stick, Niyah. Grab another one.
One more, just one.
Okay, make a triangle.
Make a triangle. Yeah.
Guys, come over here, man.
No, short. Yeah. What color is that, Niyah? Niyah.
Either one. Whoever takes it.
Huh? What color? Yellow?
What color? Yellow. What's that, Niyah?
Bless you. Put yellow in there.
Blue. Good job. Let's walk around and interact with you.
Niyah. Niyah. See, this is what I was afraid of. They told Niyah to get one beanbag. One. She grabbed them all out the bucket and just started chunking them. Me and Yahni looked at each other. We didn't know if they was going to throw us out. Thanks for watching episode 1. Me, my dad, and my sis.